Ruben Colón, I'll show you how to make money straight from Snapchat with Adsterra. Hi, this only video story for my article. For more detail just click link my article on description. He is on the radio right now to present a foolproof method for making money using direct link in Snapchat. Keep up with the beat because it's time to quickly become a Snapchat rockstar. I'm Ruben Colón, a Dominican Republic resident who makes most of his money from US traffic. I spent a lot of time on YouTube watching tutorials on how to run an internet business and make money, just like many other aspiring publishers. I continued to attempt for a few years utilizing a variety of internet services, but they all required a lot of work and produced very little money. Ruben Colón, publisher Adsterra Snapchat blogger. Income generating strategies I've utilized in the past. I used to sign up for various platforms when I was much younger that offered payment for completing surveys and watching commercials. I made the decision to stop working here because it left me with little time for personal improvement. He needed a team to direct traffic to CPA pages. After perusing a number of evaluations, I registered on a reputable CPA page. I was therefore unable to make money through CPA links on Facebook once it changed its rules. Authors note Facebook is still rigid about any commercial links included in posts, but you can still benefit from social traffic. All you need is a blog with ad codes or an interesting landing page. Snapchat CPM ads for income. I began utilizing Snapchat traffic in 2018. Practically, my Snapchat strategy consisted of uploading viral stories with CPA links in the descriptions. However, very quickly after clicking the CPA links, individuals stopped enrolling, therefore my efforts were in vain. No matter how many clicks I provided, if users didn't complete a conversion, I got nothing. I started looking for new ways to make money. My new strategy for making money from Snapchat involves CPM links. You are aware that with CPM, you get compensated based on the total number of views, clicks, and conversions. I'll now explain how I increase my earnings using Snapchat and direct link. Direct link, my primary internet source of income. As I previously stated, CPA links ceased to be successful, and I discovered a better way to make money. Direct link is a CPM ad link that Adsterra gives, and it has thousands of offers behind it. Multiple CPA links, not just one. The inability to include direct link in a Snapchat story is another significant distinction. Users must be drawn to a website that has the link on it. You can grab numerous direct links from your various social media profiles and use them all to generate cash. You must first register with Adsterra in order to receive a direct link. You must navigate to the direct links tab in your account, on the left. As for me, I just leave my direct links alone and don't filter any traffic. Register direct link free.
I'll explain how to open a Snapchat account and start earning money. The Snapchat money-making formula. Okay, let me start by outlining a process. What is required to start making money on Snapchat? Sign up for a Snapchat account. Begin bringing in organic traffic, publishing and uploading videos with a link to a website. Put a direct link on your website to profit from Snapchat traffic. So, the advice I have for you is to not use your personal Snapchat account to make money. I strongly advise opening a new account. 2. Get organic traffic. You will need to be very active and experiment with numerous strategies. Some of these might be viewed suspiciously by Snapchat, which might block your account. Start with a fresh test account if you don't want to waste time trying to recover your current one. Anyway, today I'll demonstrate how to establish and test brand new Snapchat accounts using fictitious emails and phone numbers. It can be a good idea to direct traffic from various accounts with entirely different content. 4. Quicker tests. Temporary phone numbers and email addresses are ideal. After entering your first and last names, click sign up and accept to agree to the official terms. 2. Advance to the following stage, click continue.